Welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new tutorial. In this following guide video, I'll show you how can you use multiple Telegram account on one phone. If you want to use multiple Telegram account on one phone, you'll have to follow those steps. But before that, make sure that the application is completely updated. So for that, you want to head over to your respective app store. And on the search box, you want to type in Telegram. And when you locate Telegram, you could see whether the app needs to be updated or not. If the application is completely updated, then what next you want to do is simply click the open button and log into your account. Once you're logged into your account, you want to click on the tab bar icon from the top left hand side corner of your screen, right over here. And then you could find your information here. So what you want to do is click on this arrow icon next to the phone number. Then there you could find this option as add account. Simply have to click on the add account option, and then you need to go ahead and start entering your phone number that you want to add it, or the secondary phone number that you want to add it, and you'll begin with creating or using your multiple Telegram account on one phone. So that is the simplest way you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.